Hello guys, welcome to Priska's mission. Today's mission is to get this very dirty looking cooker cleaned. If you can see, the burner is so filthy that I don't think anybody would enjoy cooking on them. So the mission today is to get all of them cleaned, well cleaned. Okay guys, and in cleaning this burner today, some basic essentials which we all have in our homes. I'll be using 500 ml of hot water. This is it. I'm only using this flask to measure it because you know it's 500 ml, so why not? So we're putting in 500 ml of hot water first of all, followed by, this is my vinegar by the way. I've poured it out in the glass so that I can easily access it. So we need 3 spoonfuls of vinegar, and we need 3 spoons of baking soda, 2, 3, and then we also need 3 spoons of hydrogen peroxide, we're also going to add washing up liquid, 3 spoons of that, and stir it up. It was advised to leave it to chill for 5 minutes before adding the items that you want to clean up. Right guys, I hope this works. Like I said, I've not tried it before myself. This is the first time I'm trying it. I've actually left the cooker to be so dirty and filthy to make sure that it works. And I hope it does work because there's a lot of things in here. There's hydrogen peroxide, there's baking soda, there's vinegar. All these are very active cleaning ingredients. So I do hope that it works. So 5 minutes gone. I'm now going to go ahead to soak them in. Look how filthy they are. So guys, I've put everything on and I'm going to leave it for 5 hours. So more than likely, I'll come back tomorrow early hours or later tonight. I intend to leave it for 5 hours before I come to clean it up. So that's our concoction, and I do hope it will come out all nice. Guys, 6 hours later, and this is what they look like. I am really happy with the way they are looking, to be honest. I haven't scrubbed them or anything. I've just picked them up and you can see the guns and the grime are beginning to fall off. I'm happy the way they are looking. And I just went straight in with my iron sponge. The iron sponge I'm using is the soft one. It's not done any scratches or any damage to the burner. So I can say confidently that it's safe to use those. I must give you a tip, which is please make sure you are wearing a protective gloves whilst doing this, because remember we have a lot of toxic ingredients in this mixture and they could be very unkind to the skin. So please do yourself a favor and wear a protective gloves whilst washing this, just to avoid skin irritation. Right guys, I think I scrubbed this for about 10 to 15 minutes and then just then I remembered that I have Brillo at home. Brillo pads are good. You can get Brillo pads from any local shop or Sainsbury's, Asda, Home Bargain, B&M, you name them. You can get them from those shops. And I just went straight into with Brillo. I used Brillo because, as you know, they foam on its own. You don't need to put any more detergent. I didn't put any more detergent. The Brillo foam gave me a lot of clean and foam, and then I give it another go for about 5 to 6 minutes, and I felt that, you know, I've done my bits, and I just put in some clean water from the tap to rinse them, and I didn't use hot water or warm water or anything, just normal tap water to rinse them. And look how they've come out. I'm so pleased how they've come out. They've come out all clean, all lovely, all nice. And so far so good. If you remember how they were when we started this video, you would agree with me that it has really worked. It's a yes from me. So all you need to do now is to pat dry them. If you want to leave them alone to dry on their own, that's also good. However, I used the towel to dry mine, and then I started placing them back on the hob. The black stuffs you're looking at, guys, is not dirt, it's not gaunt or anything. I don't know what they are. I met them at this property when we moved in. They were worse off, but I have since given them a good scrub and wash, and this is the best they can be. As you can see, the stove is quite dated as well, so it is what it is. Yeah, this is the best it could come out. So I gave the stove one final clean, and if you go back, you can see that there has been a lot of improvement, and I'm happy with the outcome. Tell me, guys, if you're going to try this and if it works for you as it's worked for me. Thank you very much for watching Priska's Mission, and I hope to see you in my next video. To my returning subscribers, thank you. Until next time, see ya. Cheerio.